it's me, your boy, here bringing you yet another calculus video to help you improve at this related rates business. So welcome in, math neighbors. I wrote out a few statements here that may or may not help you, that helped me anyway picture what was going on. So this was where I started when I did the problem. I thought about how the volume increasing means dV/dt is positive. Thought about how the height increasing means dH/dt was positive. I thought about how the volume has a differential equation, dV/dt pi times 2RH dr/dt plus pi times r squared dH/dt. The surface area has a differential equation, ds/dt equals 2 pi times h dr/dt plus 2 pi times r dH/dt. And then I put my stuff in. And when I put my stuff in, I was stuck because the question is, what's going on with the surface area? So that's this equation over here. What am I going to do with that? I don't really have a good answer because I don't know h and I don't know dr/dt. And if I go back to my original equations, I can't really solve for that either because it's not like I have the volume or the surface area. It's like I got the radius, but I don't have the height, and I don't have the volume, and I don't have the surface area. So what am I going to do? And this is where the math trick comes in. And I don't want you to worry so much about what the trick is, but I want you to worry more about the math that we're using. So we're still using the exact same thing we did to get to this point in time for both of these equations. What's different is we're using a different kind of substitution. The substitution pattern is h dr/dt is in both of these equations. And if I look at this equation, I can solve for h dr/dt, and then whatever that is can be substituted for h dr/dt here to solve for the surface area. So I solved the volume equation to say that h dr/dt was 2. And then knowing that h dr/dt was 2, I could substitute into the surface area equation and finish solving for the surface area. And I just realized that is the wrong units. That is square millimeters per second. Sorry about that mistake. Glad I caught it this time, unlike some of my other mistakes. And because that's positive, the surface area is increasing. So hopefully you enjoyed that presentation on a rather difficult related rates question. Do the usual, like, subscribe, etc. See you in the next video.